Alix here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to add in your floating coins and let Mario collect them. So let's just go straight into Scratch. Alright, so here I am in Scratch, and when I start my game, I can run around and my coins randomly show up along the top. I have 10 of them total, and I can collect all of them. So that's all we're going to do today. We won't be able to win yet. We're going to do that in the next episode. Alright, so last episode we left off with our red shell and we made it actually hurt Mario. So now we're going to add in all of our floating coins. So first thing, just add in one floating coin, or we can duplicate one of our coins, which is what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to delete the code I don't need. So basically all of this code for it falling, dropping, respawning, all that stuff, I'm going to get rid of. So I'm just going to move that off to the side. And now I have my code left for when to hide. So I want it to hide on my lose screen, on my win screen, but I also want it to hide on my first backdrop, which is my Mario background, and I want it to hide on my start menu. So I'll duplicate that and say start menu. Perfect. So now we're ready to actually code our coin to appear on our screen. For this, I'm gonna go to events and I'm gonna say when my backdrop switches to my level 2, which is Mario background 2, I want it to show. And I'm just gonna double click on that so that it actually shows up on screen. So now that I see where it is, I can actually go and place it where I want it to be. I want it to be above Mario's head, and I want my first coin to be on the far left side. I'm gonna make like a row of all my coins across the top. So now that I have it showing up, I don't need it to fall or anything, it's just gonna float in space. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go and I'm gonna add a forever loop, and I'm just gonna check to see if I'm touching Mario. So forever, I wanna ask if sensing if I'm touching Mario 2, then what do we wanna do? Well, we wanna add a point. So if I go to variables, I'm gonna say change coins by 1. So I'm gonna add 1. And then I need it to disappear because otherwise it'll just keep adding a point until we move Mario off of the coin. So I'm going to tell the coin to hide. So now if I start my game, my coin is there, and if I jump and touch it, I can pick it up. So that's perfect. So we're going to add a couple more things to this because I want to make it a little more complicated. I don't just want the coins all to show up at the same time. I want them to show up randomly, so we can't just automatically win before the shell even shows up. So before my show, I'm going to add in, from controls, I'm going to add in a wait, and I'm going to go and find my pick random, which is in operators, and I'm going to pick a random time between, let's say, 1 and 4 seconds. And then I also have, on my coins, I have a costume set up so that my coin can rotate, so that it actually looks like a spinning floating coin. So in my code, to go through all of those pictures, all I need to do is add in my looks, I'm going to use next costume, and I'm going to put that just inside my forever loop. Not inside my if, just in my forever loop. So now if I hit start, my coin will show up at some point. There we go. And it's spinning. So it looks cool. It's nice and a floating coin. And now I want to add all my other coins. So I'm just going to go and duplicate this coin 9 times. Perfect. And then I'm going to find each coin and I'm just going to place it so that I have all 10 coins nicely spaced out along the top above Mario's head. There we go. That easy. So now when I start my game, all my coins are showing up already. So I'm just going to hit that start twice. There we go. So now they randomly show up at different times, and I can collect them. So it's just that easy to add your floating coins. Go ahead and add some to your game, and in the next episode we're going to show you how to actually use those coins to win and go to our win screen. Thanks everyone. Make sure you subscribe below so you don't miss out on that, and we'll see you later. Bye!